Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself as Dina Marisa Khairina as an author at the International Conference on ICT for Smart Society 2024. Allow me to present our paper entitled Initial Exploration and Understanding of Parameters for Successful Enterprise Architecture Implementation. So introduction. IA or enterprise architecture has become a very dynamic scientific discipline that is attracting increasing scientific interest. So IA describes various aspects of an organization from an integrated business and IT perspective, which generally consists of 4 layers, including a business, information, application, and infrastructure layers. IA adoption provides a benefit in business and IT alignment, cost efficiency, and better decision making, so it is necessary to understand IA adoption in depth. Even though AI has many advantages, there are still challenges that hinder its success. One of them is in terms of acceptance and usability of IA. IA acceptance and use refers to IA action that are used or are being used. So this research aims to contribute to overcoming the challenges that hinder the success of IA by investigating and initially exploring the factor that influence the success of IA implementation as this research question. So this investigation can be used as an initial reference for further exploration of the factor that influence the success of IA implementation. The method used in this research use literature review, where the search for required article come from electronic database such as ScienceDirect, IEEE, Springer, and other. The first stage, identification. Carrying out a search and review process for 74 articles published in reputable international conference or journal from 2011 to 2022. The state ensure that the article obtained are not duplicated. As a result, 16 duplicate articles were found, leaving 58 articles to be filtered for the next stage. And the second step, screening. Reviewing and selecting article, and the result were 44 articles excluded based on the suitable of the title and content of the article, having actual relevance to the study topic, having novelty and documented result. So that the remaining 14 articles were reviewed further at the next stage. And the next stage, eligibility. This stage checking the suitability of the remaining article with a more in-depth review of the article content to produce article that better support the research. So 14 article that support the topic discussed as a representative sample to identify the main dimension. And the last stage included. The final step is checking the suitability of existing article to produce article that best support the result, the research result. And the 14 articles were produced that were the most supportive and suitability for the feasibility stage. And this is then a factor of IA success were identified. Communication, organizational readiness, results, organizational rules, support service, knowledge and skills, alignment with business goals, architectural governance, top management support and commitment, and the last, organizational culture and structure. And this is influence. I want to explain influence from of the identified factor. Architectural governance. Standard governance structure for EA teams become quite challenging based on variation in organizational setting. So EA governance standard become a necessity in an organization to ensure the sustainability of EA implementation. Next, alignment with business goals. Influencing a factor where EA is useful for aligning information technology and enterprise business so that the importance of business and IT integration, as well as the need to design EA based on the enterprise business need and goals. And next, knowledge and skill. Knowledge and skill make the development and transformation of enterprise information system run consistently. And next, communication. Communication between EA teams, stakeholder, and service user creates transparency that provides information about the current and future architecture and transformation roadmap. And the next, organizational readiness. Includes technology readiness support from various levels of the organization, adequate technical support, and an experienced team within the organization. Next, resource utilization includes human resource, which refer to personnel, financial resource, which refer to the ability to fulfill organizational needs, IT resource, which refer to application and information system, and organizational resource, which refer to policy, organizational structure, and business service model. And the next, organizational rules. Overlapping organizational rules were identified as a problem that pose a fundamental risk in EA adoption, thus requiring clear, not overlapping rules and integrated management of technological, organizational, and environmental pressure. And the next, support service. A study found that support service had a positive influence on the perceived benefits of EA, as well as practitioner behavioral intention to adopt EA. The study also provides finding that support service have a positive effect on the perceived usefulness of EA. And the next, top management support and commitment. Top management support or commitment refers to the extent to which stakeholders are involved in EA management decision making and ensure long-term public decision and have a positive impact on the overall acceptance of the EA management function. And the last factor, organizational culture and structure. Organizational culture significantly moderate the impact of EA management design on EA success. Organizational culture is unique to each organization because it describes how committed its human resources are to common goals and enterprise decision. So the two factors discussed and review in 5 or more article, namely organizational culture and structure, as well as top management support and commitment. So that these two factors are the most potential and most influential factors on the success of EA implementation and need to be studied further. So a conclusion, this literature review provides insight and reference that can be used to explore key factors in evaluating the success of future EA implementations. Two potential factors were found to be the most influential, thus requiring further exploration in evaluating the success of EA implementation that can be applied in various sectors by testing hypotheses and further empirical evidence. This literature review contribute to addressing gaps and problems in investigating and identifying factors that influence the success of IA implementation, as well as providing guidance for decision makers to understand the factors that influence IA implementation. So that's all my presentation for our paper. Hopefully it is useful, and thank you for your attention.